Hi, hello. This video show two east facing house front elevation designs with floor plan. Now see the floor plan details. Plat size is 26 feet 3 inch by 46 feet 6 inch. Total area is 1220 square feet. This plan is 2 BHK house. Now see in 3D model with 3 color combination and walkthrough.